G'day and welcome back to another video where in this one we're talking about how to mount your traction boards to your crossbars using some ratchet straps. Alright, so we got the boards up here on the crossbar and we're using a endless ratchet strap to secure them. And all that means is we're using a ratchet strap without the hooks. It's just one continuous strap. So the first step is setting the ratchet strap up like so. So you can feed the strap through here. And you just want to start by securing the board like so. Alright, at this point we've got a heap of length left over. We're just leaving a little bit of slack here because I'll show you an awesome trick to deal with the excess length. I actually picked this trick up off another YouTube channel called Rugged Life. If you like this one, check him out too. Basically what you want to do is get the end and start rolling it up nice and neat. Every time I do this I have to relearn how to do it, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so leave yourself a little bit of length like that. Alright, so we've got it here. We're going to grab this, pull it through. Alright, and then again here, and then you end up with this nice little neat package at the end, which you can shove under here, under the strap, under the ratchet itself. And then it's just a matter of ratcheting it up and then it's all done. And that's all tight, that won't come out under there. Alright, do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so you're at this point, leave a little bit for this through here like that. Alright, and then one more time grab this like that and pull. Absolute magic trick. And you've got a neat little package at the end there, and that can just go in there. Bike lock for added security. Alright, and there's one more thing that you have to do, and that is that's not going anywhere. Alright, well, there we go. Traction boards are on the crossbars, ready to go. I should have another video out in a week's time of another camping trip, which will be good. Can't wait to get that one out. And if you did enjoy this video, then consider liking and subscribing. And as always, thank you for watching.